Hey folks, it's Finn. So it's something a little different for me this week because this week's vlog is a review and I'm reviewing this, which is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, and this is a gimbal for your smartphone. A what? I'll get into what it is in a moment, but before I start I just want to say that I'm not sponsored for this video. Nobody has sent me this to review. I have brought this because it was something I wanted. However, saying that, I do have an Amazon page and I will put the link to this on my Amazon page. It will be an affiliate link, which means if you click on it and buy through me, I will get a little bit of commission. It won't be of any cost to you. It will just help out me and my channel. With that out of the way. So what is a gimbal? A gimbal, basically, in layman's terms, because I am no expert on these things by any stretch of the imagination, stabilises your phone footage and improves the way that you vlog on your camera. Now, I'd never heard of these until last week when I did some shadowing with the Open University and had a try of one. And my goodness, the difference it made in my footage was incredible. Those who follow my channel will know that I do videos in two ways. I do videos with my DSLR camera, general topic vlogs, but I also do behind the scenes, out and about, and I do those on my smartphone. Now currently my setup is highly technical. Ta-da! Yes, I know, incredibly technical. I love my GorillaPod. I use it for loads of things. I use it with my DSLR and my smartphone, but it's great for holding at a distance when I'm vlogging and talking to myself. However, you get a lot of shake, and I hadn't noticed just how bad it was until I tried the gimbal and saw the difference. Now, I'm really enjoying doing behind the scenes vlogs. I also go to Glastonbury Festival every year and I take my DSLR, and it worries me every year about breaking it, and I'd rather, just for ease of use, take this with me to Glastonbury. So for that reason I've upped my game a bit by buying a gimbal, but also buying these, an additional lens kit. Now we'll review these in a separate vlog. I haven't even tried them myself yet, but first let's just stick with the gimbal. So my reason for buying the gimbal was to upgrade on this, to reduce my shake and improve my footage. When looking at all the research, the big difference seemed to be between the way the apps use your smartphone. Now I'm on Android, I've got a Galaxy S9, so I wanted to make sure whatever I brought was going to be compatible and work well with that. It seemed to come down to two clear winners. This one, the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, and the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Both looked really good. This one, however, seemed to be more compatible with Android, and it also seemed to do the face tracking option much better. The Zhiyun 4 was really complicated, and for me, having no experience of these whatsoever, being very basic knowledge based in terms of filming, I primarily wanted it as something that would track my face, improve my stability, and help me to get up, set up, ready and go without learning a huge amount. So that's why I went with this. This one appears to stabilise better than the Zhiyun 4, and it also seems to be less complicated to get to use. Fingers crossed. So enough chit chat, shall we have a look at it? So, ooh, it's in a lovely box, very thick manual. So let's have a look in here. Aha! So there we have a gimbal, cable. Looks pretty straightforward. Now it's got some weight behind it. I think this and the Zhiyun 4 was just a couple of grams in between the weight difference. What I liked about this over the Zhiyun 4 as well was the handle. It's a really nice shape to hold. The other one was very kind of square shaped, and I know what it's like from even holding this for long periods of time, that it becomes quite stressful for your hands. This actually just straight away feels like it fits really nicely. I haven't got huge hands, it's one thing to note, so I didn't want something that was really big and cumbersome. That feels really nice. Right, I'm going to have a look at how we stabilise this and get my phone set up. Okay, so I've got it. There's a little wheel here at the back, and you see this? This actually goes out and in. So you adjust that until your mobile phone is roughly, when it stops, roughly level. So now it's balanced, I have to connect it to the DJI Osmo app. which I've downloaded and I'm currently trying to connect to. Well, it turned out that I had the wrong app. That was the problem. It wasn't showing in the Play Store, and the QR code that's in the Quick Start guide didn't work. However, I found another QR code in the more detailed guide. I scanned that worked. It took a while to download it, but I'm now up and running. So I'm going to work out how to face track, and then we'll do a little bit of filming with it. It's finally stopped raining, so I'm outside and we're going to give this gimbal a run for its money. So right now I'm holding the phone with my arm. I'm going to show you my usual method, which is to hold my phone with the Gorilla Pod as I walk and talk, and then I'm going to show you with the gimbal. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the footage side by side so that you will see the difference. So today is mostly just about having a bit of a practice using it, but I just want to show you one thing it does do. It's got a port at the bottom so you can attach it to your tripod, and then you can use active tracking so you can do hands-free filming of yourself and put yourself in the action, so to speak. So let me just show you that. If I've done this right, the gimbal is now set up to do active tracking, so it should follow me wherever I go. It is finding me most of the time. I try running. I'm pretty impressed with that. So as you can see, it's made a huge difference between using my self-styled selfie stick method and using the Osmo Mobile 2. I'm so impressed with the footage that it took already. And I'm still learning. There is still so much to learn. There's so much this can do. The app that it comes with gives you additional options, and I haven't even started on a lot of that yet. This video today was really just to give you a brief look from the perspective of somebody that has no experience of these things and no experience of this kind of filming, of how easy it was to use out of the box, which it was once I worked out which was the right app for it. How easy it was to get straight out and start filming, and how easy it was to see a real jump in quality of footage straight out of the bat without learning much more than balancing it out. So for somebody that wants something that's easy to use, quick to set up, and a great starting out, I definitely recommend this. And I can't wait to share with you when I've learnt other tips and tricks with it. I've downloaded Filmic Pro, as I shared earlier. I've also got a lens kit what I'm going to try with this, so you will see more videos of me improving with this hopefully, and trying out different setups with it to improve my footage. I hope this has been helpful. As I said earlier, I will leave a link in the comment section as to where you can buy yourself one of these. Do also feel free to leave me any comments or questions. I'd also really like it if you could give this video a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, it really helps out myself and the channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you again. Bye bye.